Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm dying today. I'm literally dying. Anyway, today I'm taking my family out for lunch. We'll do like Ocean Basket or something. So, but the weather's so bad and I'm fighting for my life. Like, I'm literally fighting for my life. My period cramps are killing me. I'm dying. It's like I'm nauseous. I have diarrhea, or like my excuse me, like the lower part of my body is just numb. I don't know. I'm going through a lot, and I have a lot to do today. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so I have no idea what to wear. Like, I have no idea what to wear, and I wanna dress like, cute, like proper, so that my mom's like, no, my baby's doing all right, Yeah, so I need to look cute, but I don't know what to wear, so I'm just gonna quickly do my eyebrows and mascara while I try to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I don't know, I'll show you. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, I did my face just a little bit, just did my eyebrows, put on mascara, lined my lips, and that's it. So I'm accessorizing with some jewelry, and then I don't know, I'm stuck between this look is good, it's cute, it's like a little, mind everything, it's like a cute little, cute crop jersey. Or should I wear my long girl? Or so this is the outfit, I think. Or should I wear like a long leather coat? Let's see. So this is what I had in my mind initially, right? But I think the black on black is a little too much. No, I think I'm gonna go with the other one. So this is what I'm going with. I think I like this better. The only problem with this is like my back is out and I'm on my period, so this is just a recipe for disaster because I know I'm gonna be dying of pain. But anyway, I think I look cute. Let me get going. Okay, cool. Say hi.
Omega Jewelry is the
Down that way.
Copy act? Copy act? Copy act? No. Wouldn't be left alone. Mom jeans require them to go like up here.
No.
And then like you have almost a crop top. Then for men, I'm talking about men. And they work like.
Yes.
But they're not skinny. Are they skinny?
They don't look skinny at all. Like, I recently bought this bag that I'm carrying. I bought jeans at H&M because apparently that's where you get nice jeans. When I get
like
home,
2,000 rands.
they were 320.
But not this.
Yeah.
Retro 90s.
This itches.
No, it finishes.
No, because then the jeans go like that.
You see, like this.
Yes.
Something like this.
Black. That's what they had on their website. That's why I was like, we should come here. Yeah. What size is this? This is a small.
To the men's section.
No. I want to.
Huh? Where Coco's strips are. Because Buddy and Palana are sharing a packet.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna say no.
Thanks. That's a lot.
I have something important to say.
Did I get that on camera?
No. But I have something important to say.
What do you have to say?
So ID numbers, right, are really cool. Because in order for ID numbers to run out, 100 million people need to be born in 1 year.
Perfect. Was it too big by your sleeves?
The sleeves are too long, yes.
So let's get a large.
There's no large.
Then get this one.
Must you try large?
I don't want to, thank you. Give them to Buddy.
Buddy doesn't want them.
Don't eat a lot of those, Falana. You want?
These two are so hilarious. Look at this.
This is the outfit that you know, rap.
They don't want to walk fast because I won't.
I swear to God.
40 cents? No, I don't have 40 cents.
I don't carry cash. Yes.
Anyway, I'm exchanging my H&M pants. Do I always? No. In front of the camera. No. I always use my back camera. Anyway, this is the person who's helping us here.
Hey, hi.
Thank you. Is that it?
Please stand here for me, ma'am. Just your name, your surname, your phone number, and your signature. And that will be it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, now we need to run.
But this outfit requires you to walk fast.
To walk fast anyway.
You're lucky I'm not holding my belt, bruh.
Guys, I love H&M so much. I hope these jeans that I got now fit.
Bruh, I don't like this place actually. It's for
I don't know if this is gonna be in the same video. What do you mean NPC? This is for main characters. Look, like literally Barbie could go shopping here. What do you mean NPC?
NPC. I'm
No.
gonna come here to buy my.
I literally feel like for Oppenheimer, I need to wake up, you know, have a coffee and a cold cigarette.
Yeah. Like you can put a dash of whiskey.
You know, just a dash of whiskey and the coffee and a cold cigarette, and just like come here with a bad attitude,
Bad energy, like put a dog
and a leather coat.
Yes,
You get me?
hire a dog cloud to like be on top of you.
Exactly.
And then so what you're gonna do is, because you're gonna watch them on the same day, obviously you have to rest the
So no, you start with Oppenheimer in the morning, then you watch that, maybe have a lunch,
nice lunch. Maybe go to Starbucks for some coffee.
Yeah, and then get all pretty, watch Barbie.
Pink jumpsuit all
Yeah.
the way.
Watch Barbie and go out with the girls.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oppenheimer is not
definitely.
Oppenheimer, you watch it and then you sit.
Exactly.
Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Dated a few. Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me like my side, that's that most city, that side that you.
Sitting, to be honest.
And chatting. Because Buddy didn't even have a book. Buddy brought a book and he didn't even read it. You also brought a Why? We were so busy.
Me?
What were you guys busy with?
Nothing. We were busy doing nothing.
Catching up. Watching movies.
By watching.
We actually watched a few movies and
Are you on a call?
that was what?
Right, so I said 100 million people, but it's not 100 million people. So on the ID, you get 10 digits now.
Yeah.
The first 2 digits are your year. So
First 6.
the first
Yeah.
Yeah.
so right ID numbers run out. Because in order for ID numbers to run out, you need 3 million.
Yeah.
Sorry,
The
you can't
same
read
year.
numbers.
Can't, dog.
Read that number. Show the camera and read the number.
Chill out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We can give you our string.
43 million.
Yeah.
46,721.
Good.
What?
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe.
Take a video of her hair.
Yeah. So where do we get on it?
Buy it,
I
bro.
think you might just jump in, guys.
God, I'm so funny. Bro, then, bro.
Yes, please.
Y'all hear my
What are you saying, buddy? I lost the clip to end this vlog, but anyway guys, thanks for watching.
A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a